Hey, you guys, happy Tuesday. I hope you guys are enjoying your day and getting plenty of rest and staying safe. So, today we're going to focus on proportional ratios. So, with proportional ratios, how do you know if two ratios are proportional? You first start by rewriting the ratio as a fraction, then reduce it if needed. So, the ratio 3, 9, if it's written as a fraction, it would be 3 over 9. So ratio, then change to a fraction. All right, solve each proportion. So I have the ratio 3, 7, and the answer is 21. And the other problem, reported problem, is 49. So written as a fraction, it will be 3 over 7 is equal to x over 49. And we're going to cross multiply it. And I'm going to show you guys the steps. All right, as you guys know, like I said before, I'm uncomfortable writing big, so my hand get kind of sloppy when I start writing big. All right, so when you cross multiply, I wrote it as a fraction first off, so I have 3 over 7 and then x over 49. So writing both as a fraction, you have to cross multiply. So me cross multiplying, I cross and then I multiply. So across from 3 is 49. So 3 times 49 and x times 7 or 7 times x. So it'll be 3 times 49, which is 147, and then 7 times x is 7x. The next step is division. Alright, set it up as a division. It'll be 7x equals 147. Well, I have it set it up like that. Once you set it up as a fraction and you divide, get ready to divide, I have to get x by itself. In order for me to get x by itself, because I'm solving for x, I had to scratch out 7 and 7 because I was dividing 7 into 7 and 147 into 7. Okay, so 7 into 7 is x, and then 147 into 7 gives you the answer of 21. So the answer for number 1 is 21, and I just showed you the steps to how we got 21. Okay. All right, number 2, we have 1 ratio 2 equals 20, and the answer for this is 40. So we're missing the number and we had to plug it in. So I will set it up as a fraction as 1/2 equal to 20 over x. And then we're going to cross multiply. So I set it up as a fraction, So we got 1/2 and then equals to 20 in x. So cross multiply, across from 1 is x, across from 20 is 2. So we have 1 times x is equal to 1x, and then 2 times 20 is equal to 40. And now we're set it up in order for us to divide. So 1x is equal to 40. And just by, I did it anyways, but just by looking at it, you know if it's 1x equal to 40, you know the answer is just going to be 40 because 1. So 1 divided to 1 going to leave us with x, and then 40 divided to 1. Be just 40. So our answer for number 2 is 40. Okay, the next stage for proportion and ratios is figuring out yes or no if it's a proportion or not. So we had to figure out if these basically fraction, which are still ratios, if they are proportions or not. So number 13, we have 3 over 10 and 9 over 30. I'm going to put it on the board and we're going to see if it is not. So we already know that it is because I have yes over here, but I'm just going to give you the steps. Okay, it's set up as proportion. So we're going to do the exact same thing, just cross multiply. So we have 3 and 10 and 9 and 30. Okay, so 3 times 30 is 90 and 10 times 9 is 90. So 90 equals 90. That's what makes it true or yes. Okay, our next one is number 14, and we have 1/2 and 16 over 32. Let's work that one out and see if it's true. So we have 1 over 2 and 16 over 32. We cross multiply, and so now when we cross multiply, we have 1 times 32 and 2 times 16, and they both equals 32. So 32 equal 32, and that'll be yes. Alright, so we have 5 over 6 and 35 over 42. We cross multiply, so it'll be 5 times 42 and 6 times 35, which is both 210. So therefore 210 is equal to 210. The answer will be yes. Our next two problems says solve each proportion. We have 2 over 5 equals to 14 over x, and we're looking for x. So we're going to solve this proportion, and we're going to find the answer for x. Okay, so we set it up as a fraction. So we have 2 over 5 equal to 14 over x. And so we're going to cross multiply. And then us cross multiplying gave us 2 times x and 5 times 14. So 2 times x, you multiply that together, is just 2x. 5 times 14 is 70. Now set it up as a fraction. So we have 2x equals 70. Divide. And x is equal to 35. So our answer was 35. Okay, this is our last problem. So we have 1 over 6 and 7 over x. So cross multiply, and that leaves us with 1 times x and 6 times 7. So 1 times x is 1x, 6 times 7 is 42. So we divide it, we set it up first, x equals 42. We divide it by 1 to get x by itself, and x is 42. So that's our answer for number 26. This worksheet that I got these problems from. As usual, we worked out the first few, but this worksheet will be placed on Google Classroom, so it is available for you guys, as well as the answer key. So I hope this is helpful for you guys, and it's also fun as well. So if you guys find time today, just look over and just figure out and find the ones that you can do. And if you have any problems, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I hope you guys enjoy yourself, have fun, and stay safe. Bye.